Manipur Governor Kumar Bhalla has termed the partition of 1947 as a human tragedy which calls for pause and reflection. Governor Kumar Bhalla was speaking during observance program on the Partition Horror Remembrance Day at Auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound today. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Home Minister Govindas Kanthosam, Art and Culture and Tourism Minister Khurajam Loken Singh, Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai, Secretary Arts and Culture Naurim Praveen Singh, Director of Transport Kumantham Diana, senior officials and students attended the program, which was organized by Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur. Addressing the gathering, Governor Kumar Bhalla stated that the partition of 1947 was not merely a directory division, it was a human tragedy. There are moments in the nation history that are marked by these celebrations. There are others that called upon us to pause, remember and reflect. He added that the Government of India declared 14th August 1947 as a Partition Horror Remembrance Day in 2021 to show that the sufferings, sacrifice and displacement endured during partition will remain part of our national memory. On the other hand, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand in his address highlighted the hardships faced by the people due to the partition, which led to loss of countless lives and widespread damage to properties. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand also acknowledged the concerns of internally displaced persons and appealed to people to promote peaceful and harmonious coexistence.
Remember that with particular sensitivity, the suffering endured by women and children, there were lots of atrocities, tortures, and people, how they escaped. Many remained silent about what they had endured. On this day, therefore, our remembrance must extend beyond those who lost their lives. We must also honor those who survived, rebuilt their lives from almost nothing, raised families, established new communities, and contributed to the making of New India. Their resilience is an important part of the story of our republic. Our home, Manipur, is home to a remarkable mosaic of communities, languages, traditions, and cultural identities. This diversity is one of the defining features of our social heritage. It reminds us that India has never been a uniform society. Our strength has always been rested in the ability of people with different identities and traditions to share a common national space. Our differences may be real and deeply meaningful. They may shape our languages, customs, faiths, and histories and ways of life, but difference need not lead to division.
Talk about young matang kuidana. Yumda hanjan rabasing. Yum sabiraga yumda hanjan rabasing do koi paisa people leprasi hydran lepi. Churachan Puka Taina with the liver, Jagata, Liver, IDP Kanguma, Lakanda, Makwigi, Yum dis Harava, Hanjanba Yabria, the Rokandava, Makoya Awa, what do Libakanda, Nupiam and Mamita, Mapi, Talaga Kapi Maduri. I call ye Hanjali by Yung do Ayum Danjali. Numida Gimatamda, Lebusiadi. I call the Ugadova Labutusu, Low Ubayadri. Bayadri, I call Kaidoroga Hinga. So I matang sida talk about Masipanto observation day, Siga Yamna Marilena Hajabatai crisis. I will see Toan Makaki crisis or Matugi crisis to the Teneriba, Muiba, Dugi Awabadi, Chapman City. Aduna Quigasigi, Midasi, Nijing Bavina. Say, in the context of Manipur, which a whole Yumayama Kautomaganda, but Amatagi Lambi the Sanaga, which is Sanamahimba, Yamas Hanti.